In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on a Wayfair seller account, specifically focusing on bulk uploads and product variants. Whether you're a seasoned seller or new to the Wayfair platform, these steps will help streamline your inventory management, making it easier to get your products in front of potential customers. Now let's dive in. First, begin by logging into your Wayfair partner home. Once you're there, navigate to the Products section and select Bulk Upload. This option is crucial for managing multiple items simultaneously, saving you significant time and effort compared to adding each product individually. After selecting Bulk Upload, your next step is to download the Wayfair product template. This template is a file you can open in software like Excel or any other spreadsheet program. It's specifically designed to help organize detailed information about your products, making it a breeze to ensure you have all the necessary details covered in one go. With your template ready, it's time to fill in the details for each of your products. This might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but take your time to accurately input each product's details. Be sure to include everything from product descriptions and prices to SKU numbers. Precision here will pay off when your listings go live. Once you've completed the template with all your product information, the next step is to upload the file back to the partner home. This action sends your data to Wayfair's system, where it's processed for review. Accuracy in your template reflects well in this step, as it determines how quickly your products will appear online. The review process is an essential part of quality control. Wayfair's review team checks to ensure everything complies with their standards. If all goes well, your batch of products will be approved and subsequently made live on their platform altogether. Now let's talk about adding variants, an essential feature for products coming in multiple options like colors, sizes, or styles. When entering a new product, you are given the option to add variants. This allows you to select the type of variation, whether it's color, size, finish, or material. As you proceed, enter precise details for each variant, just as you did with the primary products in your bulk upload. Additionally, it's important to upload separate images for each variant. This visual representation helps customers make informed choices, significantly impacting their purchase decisions. Finally, set the pricing and inventory levels for each variant. This bit of customization ensures that inventory management stays accurate and customers receive up-to-date information while browsing your products. Once these steps are completed, the last task is to submit everything for a final review. After Wayfair approves your variants, they'll appear live on the site, and there you have it. These steps outline how to efficiently add products to your Wayfair seller account in bulk and incorporate product variants as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your Wayfair selling experience.